Hey, what's up guys? It's Orly here again today. Today, we're going to review another one of my favorite player of all time, Allen Iverson shoes. But I believe after the question, this is the next most iconic shoe he ever had. I'm talking about the Answer 4, okay? It was the MVP season he had that year. It was a very iconic shoe. And without further ado, we're going to get into it. So right off the bat, it's I3, Allen Iverson signature, Reebok. Reebok's still around apparently. They do make shoes here and there, but I don't know if you guys knew it. They've been acquired by Adidas, so that's where we're at with that. Anyways, so this is an Answer 4. It is the red, gray, and white edition. It's really solid. This is size 7.5. This is for the misses, okay? So just so you guys know. So very real basic box, real generic. Nothing too special about the box. Even when you open the box, see it's Reebok paper, and then shoe. That's it. Like, nothing too special about it, and that's fine. I can live with that. It's not a problem. We're gonna put the shoes, the box aside. We're gonna read the shoe right off the bat. The leather on this thing, really solid, right? I like the leather, how it feels. It feels real genuine. It feels real genuine. Nothing too bad about it. This shoe is really good. Right off the bat, what screams out to me is all the little, quirks and designs it has. You got the Reebok symbol here in the back, as you can see, the I3 symbols here. Inside, there is a tattoo of the, of Allen Iverson's arm where it says, "Only the strong survive." So it's got a really nice, foot flooring here at the bottom. It's really nice. I'm gonna get you guys a still. You see, it looks really sharp. Down at the bottom, again, it says what the tattoo says on the arm, "Only the strong survive." It has an I3 carbon fiber right here. And then you can see, there's a silhouette of Allen's face wearing a headband. This stuff here is what's the DMX technology is made of. Not the rapper, okay? RIP, just so you know. But this right here, it's really sharp. It looks really sharp, excuse me. So I really like how the shoe is designed. It's got a lot of features, a lot of quirks, things like that. When the shoe was designed and was released, it looked really good. And of course, the Reebok symbol here. Right off the bat, what catches my eye is the design of it, right? How it's stitched up. This is plastic, of course, but this is the main part of the leather. There's a strap on it to hold a zipper down. This zipper right here, I've used some of these shoes and I've beat them up. I've never had a problem, not once, with the zipper. This zipper is meant to last. You think because it's a basketball shoe, you beat it up, things like that, the zipper will stop working, it'll break off or fall off. Not once ever. I've never had a problem. Even with the little zipper here with the I3 plastic thing wrapped on it, never. It always stayed there. I never had issues with that. They always stay there. Regular shoelaces, nothing too, poetic about it. Just right there, strapped around. And then, of course, the tongue, nothing too special about it also. It says Reebok and, I3. Okay, the tab here says I3 in the back, and then that plastic, Iverson stamp across. So, what's really the only downfall about the shoe is that it's really known a lot for creasing issues. It creases real quick, and you can see right away. See, she's only worn this twice, and right away, see, there's a crease on it right away. It's just the leather. It takes a beating right away. It's just how the shoe's designed. It just takes quite a beating, and honestly, it speaks to maybe the quality of the leather. It's not good. I think it's good, but it creases right away, no joke. It's one of the most creasable shoes I've ever been around with, and it's kind of bad. It's kind of bad in that regard, in my opinion. Okay, so comes score time. Style-wise, I love it. I love it. There's nothing bad you can say about this. Back then, when I was in high school, people would clown you because they say, "Oh, you look like a clown. You got red shoes." Now it seems like, the brighter or the more colorful, the better, right? That's how things have changed in, a decade. So it's actually better in that regard. So style-wise, I'll go with an A-. This thing is awesome. This thing is absolute awesome. You can wear it with anything, shorts, jeans, anything you want. Not really a tuck suit the Jordan 11, something like that you can get away with. But it's still real stylish, and it looks really good. It still looks really solid and good. Basketball-wise, we're going to go also with an A+ on this, okay? Why do I say that? Because the comfort on this thing, when the DMX technology was at its peak here, with this design especially, with this shoe, you feel a lot of comfort in the shoe. You feel like you got air in it, and it's compresses your foot really well, it protects you really well. Again, I'm a big fan of how high the shoe is, because if you were to roll your ankle, you have some support there at least, okay? And then the gripping on it, you know, it's a very solid shoe for basketball purposes. So I'll go with an A+ on the basketball side of it. Overall, we're gonna go with an A. So it's an A- for style, B+ for operation. So I just gotta bring it to, you know, it's medium. It's an A. It's an A+. Sorry, it's an A overall. So there you have it. There's a score. It was the most iconic shoe after the question, in my opinion. The question was what would be iconic for Allen Iverson's designs, because it was the first shoe he released. You know, it's still being retrofitted to these days with so many colors, so many designs. But this one right here marked when Allen Iverson as a basketball player was at his peak. It was his 2001 campaign. He carried a bunch of nobodies to the playoffs. No disrespect to those players, okay? Dikembe Mutombo was defensive player of the year. I get it, but listen, that team was carried by Allen Iverson. No other excuse, okay? That year, they were the only team to beat the Lakers in the playoffs. The Lakers went 15-1 that year. Excuse me, 16-1. Sorry. They went 16-1 that year. The only loss was the first Game 1 series in the 2001 Finals versus, you know, Kobe and Shaq's Lakers. So it was a real dominant team at that time. So there you have it, guys. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the review. Hopefully you guys enjoy, you know, commenting back, give me some feedback. Any of that, I would really appreciate it. Like always, y'all have a blessed day.